We believe experiences can be remarkable. We believe fulfilling work creates fulfilling lives. We believe that more is possible. And having a purpose, it lets us create order from chaos. So again, we come here today to redefine. We know that our impact can be most significant on the customers that we serve, on the employees that we have the pleasure of walking alongside each day, and on the communities that we work within.
But there's a big difference between knowing something and doing something. Do the right things for the right reasons, and the right things eventually happen.
I want to tell you it's because of the touches of people like you who have chosen to redefine and be great.
And declare as AquaGuard Day in the city of Woodstock, Georgia.
Our purpose is to provide peace of mind to our employees, our customers, and our community.
That's why we exert our focus on continually redefining our department within, shifting the perspective, if you will, and focusing not just on what's new, but often on a whole new take to improve what already exists.
Redefining can mean many different things to many different people. But for us, the path is clear. Nobody ever told us that we can't change the world. So we will. That a single action can turn into something much more, creating a ripple effect. We are all believers, and we believe that these ripples will change the world. You see, with us, everything matters.